Hey, today we're about to review another wig, or at least try it out. So stay tuned to see if this works out for me or not.
I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally.
Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm about to try out a new wig from Outre. This is the NEESHA 202 in the color 1B. So I'm taking a look at the different niches here, and I'm like, I like that one, that one, that one. And I know I'm late to the gang, but you know what? I'm here, I made it, and we're about to try out this wig here. So, as you can see, as I'm plopping this on my head, this is a lot of hair. It does mimic blown out natural hair. It's just huge, y'all. So I'm gonna have to adjust this the best way I can because I normally don't blow out my own hair, and I normally wear it up. So this is a lot for me. So yeah, y'all, we trying something new. We trying some more inches. Kind of thick though. Don't worry, I'm about to put it right back on that, and we're gonna make some adjustments. Okay, so looking at this wig, we do have the parting area, and there's not much lace in that parting area, but it's there. Looks like it's about a left side part. And we have the adjustable straps in the back. We have a total of 1, 2, 3 combs. And here are the curls and the texture and the lace. We see here is not exactly my color here. I'm going to have to try to tint this. So anyway, that wig was pretty comfortable on my head, and the ear tabs fit exactly where I needed them to go, but I need to try to thin this wig out the best way I can as a beginner. So I'm going to make some adjustments, sit back and relax, and I will catch you later at the end to tell you my final thoughts.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when
So as you can see, I've done a lot to this wig. I've tried to tweeze the mess out of the top of it to thin it out some. We've tried to uh, thin it out with scissors, all kinds of things. I wouldn't say this is a beginner wig. It's okay if you like huge hair at the top, but because of all the filler hair, it just wasn't the best for me. So in the end, I do end up liking it, but you guys be the judge. Let me know.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet.
So here we are at the end. If you enjoyed what you've seen so far, you want me to try more wigs, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. What do y'all think? Did I thin it out okay? Does it look okay for me? Have you tried a wig from Outre in any of the niches? Let me know. Now remember, I am a beginner at this, y'all, so for real. Y'all build me up if you think I did all right. But other than that, I'll talk to you later, roses.
So
Bye.
casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet.